Hey guys, happy self-care Sunday. As you can see, I am doing my Sunday ritual for me. I like to take care of my skin today, my hair. I have my hair tonics, my moisturizers, hydration. I'm doing all of that stuff on Sunday, making sure that I'm reading, doing a podcast, or something to catch up with myself because the weeks can be very hectic. And you guys know that throughout the week, I'm bringing you videos about DIY, motivation, and inspiration for your home. I want your homes to look and feel beautiful, but I also want you to look and feel beautiful in your home.
Hold up.
So, today I am going to be showing you guys what goes in my morning pre-workout, the blood bath, what goes into my tea, my morning tea, the witch's brew, and what goes into my fiber and protein power-packed smoothie. Okay, so a lot of you have been asking what goes into my smoothie. So, let's start out with bananas. Simple enough. I buy my bananas and then I freeze them after I cut them up so they're easy to put in my smoothie and break up. Cauliflower. I buy bags of cauliflower and I put this in the freezer as well. This adds a lot of creaminess. Cauliflower has no taste, so you're perfectly fine. Trust me. Don't be like, ugh, cauliflower. You never taste it. Broccoli sprouts. I buy my broccoli sprouts fresh and then I put them in the ice cube tray and I make these little chunks of broccoli sprouts. We all know what blueberries are and what they do for the body. Raspberries, flaxseed. I dropped my protein. Well, protein wanted to go first. So, protein. This is Veg Pro. The strawberry cheesecake is my favorite. I absolutely love it. Sea moss, and I get my sea moss from a store on Amazon. I love the sea moss, so I can link that for you guys. Strawberries, organic strawberries, Sam's Club. Thanks, Carmen. And tofu. I use a soft tofu because this is only going to give me, I think it's 20 or 25 grams. I can't read that. You know what? My eyes are just like, stop playing with me. Let me get my Oracle. All right, I got my Oracle out. It is 20 grams. It probably is on the front. I'm such an idiot. So it's 20 grams of protein in here. And then adding this soft tofu adds another like 6 or 7. I just do like chunks. I buy a block and then I cut it up into chunks. I have made my chunks too big, so I had to take some off. But yeah, so chunks about this size. Does that help? And you don't taste this either. This also adds to the creaminess. So yeah. And then obviously water. Sometimes I put pineapple juice in there, a little bit of sweetener. And I do, let me not lie, I do use these sometimes to give me a little extra. I have a sweet tooth, so every once in a while, like I usually use these, the strawberry guava, mango pineapple. This one actually adds electrolytes, so, and that's peach. This one is actually not my favorite. I had bought it for somebody else and then I ended up not shipping it, so I've been stuck with a gang of peach. But anyway, yeah, so I use these in a few drops to give me a little extra boost of sweetness. And while I'm making my smoothie, I drink my tea, which is called the witch's brew. You guys have heard me say this plenty of times before. That is ginger, fresh ginger, and fresh garlic in there. I know you're probably like, wait, what, is that tea or is it soup? Make it make sense. I don't care. All I know is I drink it. It may not taste great. Actually, this one doesn't taste as bad as my morning drink, which is the celery, beetroot, and turmeric. That tastes awful. This actually doesn't taste too bad because it has hibiscus, jasmine and lemon tea. I have my peppermint tea, my pu'er tea. So I use 3 tea bags in here. Plus, I use ginger, jengibre, fresh ginger right there, and fresh garlic. And also, I put a couple drops of, let's go back over here, turmeric with pepper. So I put the turmeric oil in there. I used to have a garlic oil too, but I got that from Sprouts in Las Vegas, and I have not been able to get it because I like a garlic oil that's just garlic oil, not mixed with any kind of olive oil or anything like that. Like, I just want straight garlic oil. So since I couldn't get any, I've been using just the fresh garlic, and then I just press it in the morning. I also put in cloves. I blend them up and make it into a powder, but if not, it can just go into my little tea diffuser. And then I also use moringa powder. So you can get this in different forms, but I just use the powder in my tea. I know you guys are like, damn, there's a lot of stuff in that tea. Exactly. That's why it's called the witch's brew. And put it in my tea and let everything infuse and steep while I'm at the gym. By the way, my morning drink is this. I mentioned my morning drink. It's this turmeric powder. So in my tea, I use this turmeric, and in my morning drink, I use this turmeric. I have to take turmeric 3 times a day, according to my GYN. And then this is my beetroot powder that I use. I've been using this for years. I love it, and I always pick some up or have somebody bring it back from the States. And then this is the celery powder that I use because I don't have a car, and so I don't have time to be running back and forth to the store to get celery every day. So I just use this powder. I probably could freeze dry mine and then start making it, which I might actually start doing. And then this is just the garlic that I use, and I put it in my press, and I'll press 1 garlic clove and have that in my tea. So yeah. I also put a couple drops of lemon juice in there as well. It's horrible, I'm not even gonna hold you, but I know what it's doing for my body first thing in the morning, and it gets rid of the bloat. Like, everything is so good for you. Oh guys, I also wanted to let you know that over the past year, I've been doing a lot of self-reflecting, self-love, purging of things, of people, and it has really encouraged me to go ahead and do a guide. So I did create a guide. It's called Self-Love 101, and I'm so excited about it. I wanted to share with you guys what I've learned. So I hope that you will be encouraged to go over and pick it up. I just wanted to do sort of like a soft pre-launch. It's just a guide. It's not super long, and I think that it's fun and you guys will enjoy it. Figured I'd share it with you, some of the things that I've been learning. There's also a worksheet for you guys, and so yeah, I think that you'll enjoy it. It's a digital guide, so you don't have to worry about having anything mailed to you. You just want to go over to my website at lashawnwill.com and sign up. Just sign up the form and then just say, I want my copy or whatever, because I'm gonna do like a soft pre-launch for those of you who come over there today, tomorrow, whatever, and you're gonna get your copy for free. So all right, back to the video. Let's go back. Let's go over here. So in my water every day, whenever I drink water, I'm using one of these. Like, that much is about 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. So yeah, so I'm always putting that in my 40 ounces. So yeah, so y'all know I love my HydroFlow. I don't know, everybody went crazy for the Stanley, but I love my HydroFlow. I've had to order replacement tops, replacement straws. I love this one because it's stainless steel. so it's not gonna get all cruddy and whatnot, and then you can replace these if they break or get, you know, weird. So yeah, love my Hydro Flow. That is my morning routine. I have the nasty celery, turmeric, and beetroot powder. And while I'm having that, I'm making my tea. My tea sits and steeps, and this actually will infuse while I'm at the gym for an hour, hour and a half. So when I come back, it's nice and potent and strong and ready to drink. And while I'm sipping this, I'm making this. So I'm about to make this right now. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, my vitamin D is 10,000 IU, and that's pretty high for daily. So I only take this about 3 times a week because I don't need it every day. And it's also fat soluble, so you have to take it with fat in order to get the right type of absorbency. So whenever I make my avocado toast, that's when I have my vitamin D. Just a little tidbit. But yeah, I don't think I have to tell you guys what all of these things do for the body, but I can tell you this right here is a gang of fiber. I ain't even gonna hold you. I probably get more fiber in that one smoothie than most people get throughout the day or even the week, because I know there's a lot of people who don't like to eat fruits and vegetables, but fiber is so important. I know everyone has been on this protein. You need protein. Absolutely, you need protein for your organs, for your muscles, for growth, for your hair, everything. You need protein, but you also need fiber. Fiber is so important at getting things in the body where they need to go. Fiber is important for cleaning out your pipes, if you know what I mean. You absolutely need to have fiber in your diet just as much as you need to have protein in your diet. So just make sure that you try things out little by little, just in case you have an allergic reaction to something, all right? All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I need to get back to taking care of me, because guess what? It's my day, and I just wanted to share this video with you, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop this one, and then you guys can go ahead and enjoy the rest of your Sunday as well. I love you. Happy Self-Care Sunday. Bye.